It's a piece of cake. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. It's a piece of cake to achieve success in life if we follow some simple rules. First, we should see every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. We must take risks, experiment, and learn from our mistakes. Second, we should focus on our priorities and avoid distractions. We must stay focused on what is important and not get sidetracked by trivial matters. Third, we should maintain a positive attitude and never give up. We must believe in ourselves, our abilities, and our dreams, and keep going, even when things get tough. With these strategies, we can overcome any obstacle, achieve our goals, and live the life we've always dreamed of. So remember, it's a piece of cake, just keep trying. Stay positive and never give up. It's a piece of cake to apply these strategies to our daily life. By looking at challenges as opportunities for growth, we can continuously improve ourselves and achieve success. Focusing on priorities and avoiding distractions can help us save time and energy, allowing us to dedicate more effort to achieving our goals. And by keeping a positive attitude and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle and reach our full potential. So next time you feel overwhelmed or discouraged, remember that it's a piece of cake to achieve success if you follow these simple steps. It's a piece of cake to make positive changes in our lives. We can start by setting clear goals and creating a plan to achieve them. We must be willing to put in the hard work and make sacrifices to reach our aspirations. We can also surround ourselves with supportive people who will encourage and motivate us to succeed. Additionally, taking care of our physical and mental health by practicing self-care can improve our overall well-being. Remember, it's a piece of cake to create a fulfilling life by setting goals, working hard, having a support system, and prioritizing self-care. So let's start making positive changes today. It's a piece of cake to enjoy the fruits of our hard work by celebrating our accomplishments. We should take time to reflect on our successes, acknowledge the efforts we've put in, and reward ourselves for our achievements. Whether it's treating ourselves to a nice dinner, taking a relaxing vacation, or simply enjoying a day off, we deserve to celebrate our accomplishments and recharge our batteries. So let's remember to celebrate our successes and continue to strive for greatness in our personal and professional lives. It's a piece of cake to make our dreams a reality if we stay focused, work hard, and maintain a positive attitude. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.